We all inherit instructions for life, coded in our DNA. We can read the 3 billion base pairs of that code, but only understand what 1% of it is doing. The rest is very repetitive. I'm Kathleen Burns. My research team is driven by curiosity about repetitive DNAs and how they relate to human disease. We've learned each person has different DNA repeats. We're finding clues that these differences can change how a gene works and predispose a person to disease. We've also discovered that while normal cells keep repetitive DNAs quiet and stable, cancer cells do not. We aim to use this difference to detect and kill cancer cells. I'm a physician. I give many patients a cancer diagnosis. I'm a researcher because I feel we owe them an understanding of why this is happening, one that will inform how we can better treat and prevent cancer in the future. To me, that's the promise of medicine.